I would like to start with the news that I received this morning about our Chief Justice Martha Koome being taken to court for allegations which I believe are not even holding any water. I believe this is more of politics because the Chief Justice sat with our president to reason out together. As far as I know, we are three arms of government and they are independent arms of government. And actually we should not be fighting one another, we should be sitting down and reasoning together. And I think that's why our President, William Ruto, called for this meeting, so that we are in understanding. Much that we are supposed to be overseeing every arm. It's important, of course, that the judiciary are also looked, even when he said that they are corrupt. Some of them surely are corrupt. We are not saying all. It may be even 10% who are corrupt or 20%, but there are corrupt judges and magistrates in Kenya. And I think we all know that. So when he says he wants them uprooted, it is a fact. So there's no reason to fight Justice Martha Koome just because she sat with the president to reason out things about the judiciary. And I think Martha has been very level-headed. She has been discussing things and talking things without any favor regarding even the country Kenya and also regarding her judiciary department. And I find it really awkward. I can say it's witch hunting or fighting our president through the back door. Just because Martha has not come out to say the president is bad, the president is doing that, she's allowing the courts to take their course. Anyway, the gentleman had every right to go to court, but let's also not waste time with simple things like those. We have to sit down and criticize where necessary. And even us who are being criticized, either the legislation or the judiciary or even the executive, there is no hard feelings because it's nothing personal. But I think this one of the CJ is personal.
I've just been informed of a petition to remove the Chief Justice for one or two things. I think the petition is misplaced because the Chief Justice, I believe, is a stickler for the law, and I know her personally, and I believe she would not be doing anything wrong. If it is political, I think it should be removed because we are going to aggravate the situation because there are three arms of government. There is the judiciary, there is the legislature, and there is the executive. And I believe we should give each arm of government free to do what they think is right, even though we do not agree with some of the decisions of the judiciary, but we are hoping to appeal and make the laws which will be right so that we can do it. Sometimes I know the judiciary overreaches itself, stopping what we have put as a manifesto or what the Kenya Kwanza manifesto is, but the petitioner, I think, will need to prove a lot of things because you cannot just allege that something is wrong when the grounds are very not good enough. So we are with Justice Martha Koome, the Chief Justice. We as the MERU will stand with her, and we will not agree anybody to bully our Chief Justice. She comes from North Imenti, and I'll be following this case very strongly with my colleague, MERU members of parliament, because I think it may be a witch hunt from other quarters to paint Kenya Kwanza badly. So we need to get to the bottom of this.
So mwenye yule amepeleka, wacha tu tuangalie ni wapi, lakini tujue lengo lake. Kama ni mpinzani amemtuma, ndio shauri Chief Justice alikuwa ameenda State House kukutana na rais ndio wazungumze. Nauliza mbona wasiongee na rais na legislature kwa kuzungumza vile mambo inaweza kufanyika vizuri upande wa sheria upande wote, so sioni makosa ile Chief Justice alifanya, lakini hiyo mambo ya tribunal kwamba ameappoint watu vibaya, hiyo yote kuna vile wale wanafanyanga hiyo kazi yake labda ni kuweka sahihi peke yake.